Do you take amazing photos and videos with your phone or camera? There's a great opportunity to sell them on Vecteezy and earn extra money. Here's how to get started. Welcome back. You can sell different types of content on Vecteezy, including vector graphics, photos, videos, and templates of various types. From the benefits of becoming a Vecteezy contributor, you can earn money from content you mark as free on Vecteezy. You earn $5 per 1,000 downloads for vector graphics and photos, and $10 per 1,000 downloads for videos. Or sell Lettuce Pro content. You and Vecteezy split revenue 50-50, depending on the buyer's subscription. Click here to learn more. To start selling, you need to begin an application to get a Vecteezy seller account. I'll guide you through every step. Hit like, follow, or subscribe button. To get started, you can find the link in the description or the comments section below. Click it, or visit the Vecteezy homepage. After entering the Vecteezy site, scroll down until you reach the frequently asked questions section. Click on How can I become a Vecteezy contributor? Then click on Vecteezy contributor program. This will take you to the same page when you use the link provided in the description or comments section below. Then click the Get Started button. This window will appear. This contributor account is separate from your regular Vecteezy account. Whether you already have a Vecteezy account or are a new user, enter your email address in the designated field. Then enter your password. Confirm your password again. Check I'm not a robot. Then click Begin Application. It will send a confirmation email to continue the application. Go to your email and open the message you received from Easy Contributors. Then click Confirm Email. That opens the login page. Enter the email and password you just created for the contributor account. Then click Login. The account setup page will open. Use your real information. Vecteezy requires identity verification in the following steps before your application can be reviewed and you can sell. Do not use random details. Please note that all information in this video is for educational purposes only. First, enter your legal first name and last name. Enter your street address. Then your city. Select your country from the country drop-down menu. And enter your postal code. This address should match the one on your government ID if you are a citizen or resident. Next, select your date of birth month. And select day. In your birth year. The next field is optional. You may indicate how you first heard about Vecteezy and type in the field, or leave it blank. After completing all required fields, click Next. You'll be taken to the Professional Info section. This section is important for acceptance of your contributor application. Add links to your stock portfolios, iStock photo, and enter your Shutterstock link if you have Adobe Stock, and another links here, or click Add another link to add more. After adding your portfolio links, click Next. You'll reach the Contributor Agreement page. Read the agreement. After read what you want to know, check the Accept Contributor Agreement box, then click Finish Account Setup. The Vecteezy Contributors Content Manager will open. Now you're finished the first step from applying to become a Vecteezy contributor. The next step is to upload your first files. In the bottom left corner, click the arrow. A pop-up window will open. Vecteezy asks you to upload and submit your first 25 files for review. Click Upload to turn you to Upload section. This is the only section unlocked until you upload and submit your files. To start uploading, click on the Upload area. A file picker will open. Navigate to where your files are located and select your file. To select multiple files at once, after selecting the first file, press and hold the Shift key, then click on the last file. All files between will be selected. Then click the Open button. The selected files will be added to the Upload section and begin uploading. To add more files, in the top left of the Uploads area, click the Upload More button. Select the files you want to add, then click the Open button. The new files will be added to the current uploads and begin uploading. There is an easier way. Open your file folder, select the files you want, then drag and drop them into the Uploads area. The new files will be added to the current uploads and begin uploading. At the bottom of the Upload section, you'll see guidelines and requirements for files accepted on Vecteezy. Resolution, minimum 4 megapixels, maximum 50 megapixels, and no more than 50 megabytes. These photos must be in JPEG format, which is the same as JPG. For vector files, they must be EPS format. The resolution should be at least 4 megapixels and no more than 25 megapixels, and each file must be under 50 megabytes. For videos, they must be MP4 or MOV, minimum length 5 seconds, maximum 2 minutes, file size up to 10 gigabytes, resolution HD up to 4K. For PNG, the resolution should be at least 4 megapixels and no more than 25 megapixels, and each file must be under 50 megabytes. PNG supports transparency. Use it if you're submitting templates. PSD is the Photoshop file format. Use it if you want to sell Photoshop templates. Click Learn More in each format section if you want more details. To measure megapixels yourself without using a third party, open your file folder and select the photo you want to measure its megapixels. In dimensions within Photo Info, copy one side from that resolution. Then open any calculator you have. Paste that resolution there, then click Multiply. Go back and copy the other side, or just enter it on the calculator. And then click Equal. You will get what your image megapixels have. To learn how to read megapixels, count the digits from digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The digit in position 7 is your photo megapixels. If your photo has more than 9 megapixels, it will have 8 digits. For example, if you add a 1 before 5, it becomes 15 megapixels. And if you add a 5 before that, it becomes 55 megapixels, and so on. While those photos are still uploading, hit the like, follow, or subscribe button and leave your questions in the comments. I reply to all questions. If any photo errors during upload, click the error icon. In the pop-up, read the error for that photo and fix it before re-uploading. I recommend you wait until all uploads finish and the files are added to the Add Data section. Then refresh the page and re-upload any that failed. I will duplicate photos only. If you don't want to wait for an upload to finish, rename the photos and re-upload. After all photos finish uploading, they'll be added to the Add Data section. Click it. You'll find all the photos you uploaded in that section. Next, fill metadata for your photos before submitting for review. First, select a photo. On the right side, you'll see the metadata panel. Choose which license you want this photo to be sold under. If the photo is AI generated, check the AI generated box. Then, click Select Software and pick the tool that generated it. If the tool isn't listed, choose Other and type the tool name. Then press Enter. Don't enable the AI box if the photo was taken with the camera. Type the photo title in the title field, or click the plus icon. Then click Suggested Title and pick one that matches your photo. Then, type a keyword in the keyword field and press Enter to add it. You can also click the This icon, then select Suggested Keywords and pick relevant ones. Once you add 5 or more keywords, the Submit for Review button becomes active. Repeat the same steps for each photo. If the same settings apply to multiple photos, select the first photo, scroll down to the last photo, hold Shift and click the last photo. All photos between will be selected. Then enable the shared settings once and they'll apply to all selected photos. After you fill metadata for all photos, select any photo you want to submit. In the bottom right corner, click the Submit for Review button. In the pop-up, check the Accept Vecteezy Guidelines box and click Submit. The photo will be added to the Pending Review section. To submit all photos at once, select the first photo, scroll to the last photo, hold Shift and click the last photo. That selects them all. Click Submit for Review in the bottom right. In the pop-up, check the Accept Vecteezy Guidelines box and click Submit. All selected photos will be sent to the Pending Review section. If any photo doesn't have full metadata, fill it in first, then repeat the same steps to submit. After you submit all photos and refresh the page, you'll see all 25 photos in the Pending Review section. This will move us to the final step, ID verification. It's a required step to get your application reviewed. Click on this arrow. A pop-up window will open. You'll notice the Verify ID button is now active. Click it. A new tab will open, where you can begin verifying your identity. Click the Begin Verifying button. From the country drop-down, select the country that issued your government ID. Then click Select. Next, select the type of government ID you wish to use to verify your identity. Click the camera icon to take a photo of your government ID, or click Upload a photo to select from your device, or click Continue on another device to verify on another device, for example, using your phone. I'll pick the ID from my computer. Click Upload a photo. Select the front of your ID, then click Open. Click Use this photo. Repeat the same steps to upload the back of the ID. After both front and back are selected, click Use this photo to upload them and start the ID verification process. After the ID photos are processed, you need to take a photo of your face for both sides. To start, using the same device, click Get Started, or choose Continue on another device to do it on your phone. Scan the QR code or click Send Email to get a link in your inbox and open it. If those don't work, copy this link and paste it into a new tab and press Enter. After opening the camera, center your face in the frame. You will be asked to look to the right, then to the left. The system will process your photos. Once it's done, congratulations. Your ID is verified. Now your contributor account is under review. I hope your account gets approved. If it isn't, I recommend starting with Shutterstock and Pond5. They only require you to fill in your information. I have tutorials showing how to start selling on both. Watch them on my channel. Then reapply by providing your Shutterstock and Pond5 links in the stock portfolio section. And good luck. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, follow, or subscribe button, and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear which topics interest you most. Feel free to share this video with anyone who could benefit from Vecteezy or selling content on it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.